Now, first part of defining the median, we say that the median, of course, is a score that occurs at the middle or the center of a given data. Now, when the data is either arranged in ascending or descending order. Now, we're going to look at the two, which is going to give us a set of data and try to identify the specific parts that we have mentioned in this formula. Now, for that case, we are going to identify the median class. And for us to identify the median class, it's the summation of frequency divided by 2. So the class that appears closest to the value that we are going to obtain from this particular average is going to form our median class. So therefore, our n as a total frequency, this is going to be 50. So therefore, 50 divided by 2 is equals 25. So therefore, a median class is a class that appears closest to that particular value. So at this point, we will identify our median class as a class that has got that frequency, that range of data, and the cumulative frequency. So therefore, if we are requested to find the median from this range of data, therefore we will apply our formula and write that the median can be given as L. L, in our case, we said that L is the lower limit of the median class. Now, the lower limit for median class for us is going to be 67.5. Remember, the lower limit for this range is 68, but our lower limit is going to be 67.5, and then plus the frequency I've said it is 50 over 2 minus C, the cumulative. Now, C we defined C as the cumulative frequency above the median class. The cumulative frequency above the median class, in this sense, is going to be 14. This is the cumulative frequency above the median class, so it's going to be 14. And therefore, the value of that is going to be over F. And we said F is the frequency of the median class, which is of course 12. And then that one times the interval. Now, our interval is going to be the difference between the upper class limit minus the lower class limit for the median class. So that is going to be 72.5 minus 67.5, and that is going to give us an interval, of course, of 5. So in that case, we're going to apply that interval here. This is times 5. So I just do away with this. Therefore, our median, now that we have identified L as 67.5, N as 50, which is our frequency, we have identified the class, the cumulative frequency above the median class, which is 14, and then the frequency, which is 12. That is, of course, F we said is a frequency of the median class, which is 12, and then I is our interval, which we have said is 5. Now this one for M is going to give us 72.08. 3, of course, that is to 3 decimal places. So for that case, that is going to be the frequency. So, and that is how we can be able to find median as a measure of central tendency. So I hope that we are going maybe to do more practice in order to acquaint ourselves with the specific terms that have been used in this formula. But so long as we are able to identify that this is a specific range of data that has been arranged in an ascending or descending order, and identifying the lower and upper class limit for that specific class, and then we have said about the frequency of the median class and then the frequency above the median class, etc. We can be able to use this specific formula to find these concepts of the median. So that one brings us to the end of our video. That is in trying to find out this part of the measure of central tendency that we refer to as a median. So that is it for today. Bye. God bless you.